Second gen Toyota Tundra crew cab platinum with the big 5.7. This thing is a cherry, fellas. She is clean as I never seen anything like it. Look at the size of that cab. Short box 5.5 with the tonneau cover, coming stock with the 18-inch wheels. Parking assist, backup camera with the trailer package. Disc brake, ABS all around. The platinum trim had a bit of a different rims than the SR5. Look at this. Like I've ever seen one like that clean. Bottom of the cab corner, the door, even the subframe. Look at this, no rust, barely anything. A little bit on the exhaust, but look at the frame, nice and clean, not peeled, not cracked. Yeah, this thing, one owner, 79,000 original kilometer. Nice step on it. Nice chrome package for the endos on the mirror as well. Look at that sturdy front grille. Fog light. This one had the Go plug aftermarket. It's nice little convenient. You don't have to plug it in underneath the hood. You get a little extension. You just plug it in the front. Inside impeccable with that low K. You get memory seating. You get some storage underneath the window commands. Electric steering wheel. Tons of support on those seats. The leather is barely broken. You got the power chair both sides with the memory seating. The lumbar support. Nice console. Nice wood finish. 79,000 K on a 13. That is just ludicrous, fellas. GPS. Backup camera. Parking assist. You got the trailer package. Heated seat. Auxiliary cable. You did have the USB connection even in 13. Heated cold seat. The console is massive. Lots of storage space. I mean, two big, almost three full-size cup. And look at this. Like, you can't even put tools in this thing. It goes so deep. I'd say it's about like a 16-inch drop. That was the cable for the front end heater core. Sunglass holder and the command for the sunroof. Auto dimming view mirror with your garage opener and your digital compass. On the steering wheel, you got your volume control, you got your computer access, Bluetooth, and the voice recognition. And there is the beauty. I'm talking Crew Max, fellas. It's almost as big as a mega cab. The space in the back of this Toyota is crazy. I'm 6'2", fully stretched, and there's nothing but space. Armrest with 2-cup holder. The platinum come with a 10-inch subwoofer that gives you a very clear sound with some good bass. The wheelbase and pack, no rust, no bubbling, all clean. This one come with the 5.5 feet box, as we mentioned earlier, with the hard tonneau cover, box liner. You got some nice and convenient tow hook on each corner of the box. Backup camera and locked tailgate. Can't forget to mention the back sliding window. That is such a cool feature. And the sunroof. And let's check out underneath that hood. 5.7 V8 6-speed, averaging in the city 13 miles per gallon. Highway, they said 18 miles per gallon. I believe those numbers are fairly accurate. Bear in mind, it is a big pickup, and the 5.7 is known to be a bit of a guzzler, especially at $1.75 a liter. But needless to say, it's got a lot of pep. It's got a lot of get up and go. 381 horsepower, 401 pound of torque. So hauling capacity of 9,000 pounds with a payload of 1,555. Especially not forgetting the heated mirror. High on wheels for the love of cars.